Okay, it's now time for the great taste test. So we're gonna grab a plate and just cut it and put it on. Oh, it's much softer than the last time I did it. I'm sorry, this might take a minute. I don't know if I'm cutting through paper at this point or just... What? Right, this is the taste test piece. That's really good. Now I feel it is the time to reveal the secret ingredient of it all. You can really taste the banana in it, by the way. Cinnamon! See you next time.